In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to round numbers in Notion formula. We're going to keep this simple and practical so you can confidently round values in any database, whether you're working with prices, percentages, or reports. Start by opening your Notion database and locating the formula column where you want rounding to happen. Click the column to open the formula editor so you can make changes. Inside that editor, you'll use the round function, which tells Notion to round a number to the precision you choose. Type the word round, followed by an open and close parenthesis, like this, round. Now, inside those parentheses, you'll provide two things. First, the number you want to round. This can be a literal number you type, such as 3.14159, or it can be a reference to another column in your database. To reference a column, use the prop function and the column's name. For example, prop, price. That might look like round prop price, there, which means you're rounding whatever value is in the price property for each row. Next, add a comma after the first value to specify the number of decimal places. This second argument controls precision. A 0 means round to a whole number with no decimal places. A 1 means round to the first decimal place. 2 means round to the second, and so on. For instance, round 3.14159, 2, becomes 3.14, and round prop, score. 0, rounds scores to the nearest whole number. You can also round to whole number place values using negative numbers. This is useful when you want to round to tens, hundreds, or thousands. A precision of number 1 rounds to the nearest 10, 2 rounds to the nearest 100, and 3 rounds to the nearest 1,000. If your goal is simply to round to the nearest 1, keep the precision at 0. For example, round 127 where 1 returns 130, while round 127 2 returns 100. A few quick tips as you try this out. You can place any valid expression as the first argument, not just a single property. For example, round prop subtotal 1.08 2 will apply tax and then round to 2 decimals. Also, if your property is stored as text, convert it to a number first to avoid errors. As you type, Notion previews the result so you can confirm you've set the precision correctly before closing the editor. And there you go. By editing your formula column, typing round, placing your number or property inside the parentheses, and choosing a precision after the comma, you can control exactly how your values display. That's all.